Hear that rubbing?
Yeah, it's not good. Come on, free yourself.
Come on, buddy. Look at that. Let's see how far it goes out of range.
A car's gonna come flying and just
smash right on it.
Wouldn't be the first time.
We've learned that the hard way.
Well, everyone, that was sure a doozy. So the LST, obviously, it's a blast running it in the snow. As you guys know, I got this thing caked. But I dusted it off. Everything's nice and dry, especially inside my nice non-waterproof battery box. And I even looked under the wires too, because usually some water gets underneath at the very bottom. But it's actually all good. But the main problem why I stopped so early, because this video's, I think, only like a minute. Who even knows? Just look down there. It'll tell you how much runtime we got today. It wasn't much. But this air filter is absolutely soaked with water. There's like... I'm just probably like wringing water into the engine right now, which I probably shouldn't be doing. But that air filter is absolutely soaked. Pretty much choked out the engine. I was thinking about wringing it out and going for round 2, because as you can see, got a half tank of fuel now. But it's late, everyone, and some of you guys know I gotta catch up on my sleep. Get your sleep, everyone. Keep your brain sharp, right, Ducky? Yeah, but an overall update with the truck. Everything is solid on this thing. The new RPM arm is treating me well. I know it doesn't match. If you guys are wondering what happened, I'll play the clip right now. Oh, shit! Wow! Yeah, so that was fun. But I'm a little bummed out I cut it short on you guys. I can name one particular person that might tell me to keep going tonight, but unfortunately, as you're seeing this video, that's all. Another recap with the truck. The engine's running great. The 454. Obviously, it's cold outside. It's, snowing like crazy. But this thing does like the cold, I'll say that. But obviously, the beautiful cage is intact. Everything's working good. I've actually had questions on what this light is, because this is a battery indicator light. This is from the HPI Savages. Like just a battery indicator light. It's very helpful for me, because sometimes I lose track on, my charge days and stuff. And some days I forget to charge it. I like these things a lot, because they're a little reminder if I forget to charge some days. Or some days I'm really bashing it, going for, hours of runtime and my battery's draining out. This is a good little upgrade, especially if you want to prevent runaways. I've had 3 with this thing, just on battery dies. Every runaway I've had with this is because the battery died. So, pick one up. They're a little pricey. I think they're like 30 bucks. But obviously for this thing, it is worth it in my opinion. It also looks cool. That was actually the real reason why I got it, I'll be honest. Yeah, guys, but that'll pretty much be it for today. I definitely owed you guys a video. I think it's been an entire month again since I ran anything. I saw you guys were loving the trophy truck video. I'll definitely get more trophy truck footage coming real soon. Yeah, so that concludes everything today. A little short one for you guys. Hope you enjoy it. There we go. Look at my little sunroof right there. Yeah, what do you guys think? New year, new body. New lights too. That's why the lights weren't working. Alright, I've yapped enough. Okay, you heard me talk enough. So thanks for watching. And I'll see you later.